I want to talk about the unknown and the secrets about positive self-talk. Everybody wants something different in their life, but they keep doing the same things. And sometimes you feel that you're doing something different, but you're not. You say, well, Wesley, I'm working harder. It's not about working harder. It's about doing something different that may be uncomfortable to put yourself in a more comfortable situation in life. If you want to create wealth, if you want to change some of the beliefs that's in your mind, so you'll be able to look at life and money and success and financial prosperity and the world in a more positive direction, well, tell yourself that you're wealthy. Tell yourself that you're a millionaire. Tell yourself that you're beautiful. Tell yourself that you're amazing. When you start to speak to yourself in that way, automatically your brain is receiving a different message than what it's receiving when you go out into the world. Your identity starts to change. But only a small amount of few people are actually going to confess it. This is why becoming wealthy is so difficult for a lot of people.